Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to see connection preferences of Bluetooth in your device. So let's get started. As you can see, this is the inbox of your settings and you should have to tap on connected device which is available on the bottom of your screen. So tap on it. Now here you can see the option of connection preferences. So again tap on it. Now you can see your Bluetooth printing service and quick share as connection preferences. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.